Hello friends, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Land Cruiser. Here is my Eureka lemon. I actually grafted this Eureka lemon, planted around June 2025. The branches are shooting out new leaves. So what do I want to do today? I want to prevent. Here is my paint, my spray paint. This will help prevent pest infestation. I want to spray the paint at the base of the rootstock so as to prevent pests from actually climbing up and attacking the plant. It's a good practice. If you have a tree orchard or fruit orchard, you can do it. Spray this paint, white paint, round, or you can paint emulsion as well around your 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 tree trunks or their rootstock, so as to prevent pests from climbing up and then attacking. The content of this spray will repel them. So once they are about to climb and then they are able to perceive, you know, they will move back. It possesses danger to them. I don't know, but this will avoid pest infestation. Because I notice most of the times these young leaves, the pest will actually come attack them, eat off these young leaves. The moment they see them popping out, they shoot them off. So what I want to do now is to do what? To spray this paint. So let's go. This is my guava tree of 1 year old, planted sometime May 2025. Today is July 23rd, 2026. So you can see it has tons of fruits.